बात कर सकती थी।
गुड इवनिंग मान्या।
Good evening, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm also fine, sir. Thank you.
Could she comprehend good thoughts?
अच्छे विचारों।
अच्छे विचारों को आत्मसात कर सकती थी।
तुम इनसे पूछ लो, दीदी से।
Could she comprehend good thoughts? Could she comprehend good thoughts?
नाम लेना पड़ेगा, लिखा हुआ दिख रहा है।
Yes, she could comprehend good thoughts.
क्या वे अच्छे विचारों को आत्मसात कर सकती थी?
हाँ, वह अच्छे विचारों को आत्मसात कर सकती थी।
मान्या शुड में पूछ लो।
Yes, sir. Tanik, should she comprehend good thoughts? Should she comprehend good thoughts?
Yes, she should comprehend good thoughts.
क्या उसे अच्छे विचार आत्मसात करने चाहिए?
हाँ, उसे अच्छे विचार आत्मसात करने चाहिए।
सब्जेक्ट चेंज करके एक और दीदी हैं, जूही दीदी, उनसे पूछ लो।
Sir, Juhidi left by mistake, I think.
बाय मिस्टेक शी। तो इससे पूछ लो।
Should they comprehend good thoughts?
Yes, they should comprehend good thoughts.
कंप्लीट द प्रोसेस।
क्या वे अच्छे विचार आत्मसात कर सकते? क्या उन्हें अच्छे विचार आत्मसात करने चाहिए?
हाँ, उन्हें अच्छे विचार आत्मसात करने चाहिए।
नया सब्जेक्ट रख के जूही दीदी आ गई हैं शायद। इज शी बैक? नो।
Again left.
बेटा दीदी से पूछिए।
What is the spelling of bicycle?
पूछो इससे। एक मिनट।
It is B-I or B-Y?
पूछो व्हाट इज द।
माने दीदी, what is the spelling of bicycle?
वो आ गई।
B-I-C-Y-C-A.
बेटा पूछो दीदी से। सब्जेक्ट चेंज करो।
Should we comprehend good thoughts?
Yes, we should comprehend good thoughts.
क्या हमें अच्छे विचार आत्मसात करने चाहिए?
हाँ, हमें अच्छे विचार आत्मसात करने चाहिए।
मानो आस्क इन प्रेजेंट सिंपल टू दिस बॉय।
Yes, sir. Um, do they comprehend good thoughts?
Yes, they comprehend good thoughts.
क्या वे अच्छे विचार आत्मसात करते हैं?
हाँ, वे अच्छे विचार आत्मसात करते हैं। Do they comprehend? Sir, past simple.
यस।
Did they comprehend good thoughts?
Yes.
रिपीट।
Did they comprehend good thoughts?
Yes, they did comprehend
Sorry.
good thoughts.
दीदी से
और
माने दीदी, did they comprehend good thoughts?
yes, they comprehended good thoughts.
माने दीदी, क्या वे अच्छे विचार उन्होंने अच्छे विचार आत्मसात करे?
Sorry.
माने दीदी, क्या उन्होंने अच्छे विचार आत्मसात करे?
हाँ, उन्होंने अच्छे विचार आत्मसात किए। Will you comprehend good thoughts?
Yes, I comprehend good thoughts.
Come again.
Yes, I comprehended good thoughts.
Sorry. Will you comprehend good thoughts?
Yes, I will comprehend good
Sorry.
thoughts.
Will you comprehend good thoughts?
Yes, I will comprehend good thoughts.
क्या आप अच्छे विचार आत्मसात करेंगे?
हाँ, मैं अच्छे विचार आत्मसात करूंगा।
आगे का नहीं मानो।
Complete the process.
Okay, good evening, guys. Manya has come, Poonam has come, Sonika has come, Juhi ji has come. Where is the chief guest of today? Do you know? Okay, let me ask this question. Suppose this is imaginary question. Manya, where is the chief guest today? Do you know?
No, sir, I don't know. Where is he?
Actually, the chief guest is not he. The chief guest is. Who is the chief guest today? Who is ready to deliver a speech today? Juhi ji, who is ready to deliver a speech today? Do you know?
I think Manya has delivered a speech today, sir. No?
Yesterday you decided,
I'm not prepared.
and I think Soumya agreed to deliver a speech today. Am I right or wrong?
No, sir,
actually,
Manya
at the
agreed
last,
actually.
both of them said to me, but I'm not prepared.
Achha, she did not agree.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Manya
agreed.
has.
Okay.
No, today I'm not prepared.
Okay. So, guys, you can do one thing. I will not give you anything today, but the link will be on, and Krishna is here. Today, have some GT with Krishna, and please come with a speech tomorrow. So, I am muting myself. Krishna,
Yes, sir.
you can have a discussion. Last time I saw you were guiding them very nicely. You were giving everybody a chance to speak, and they were trying to speak. In absence of me, they were speaking. Actually, I was expecting a speech of present simple singular number, but nobody is ready. So there's no problem, as I always do. I am leaving, means the class is on. As much as they want to stay, they can stay.
So should I deliver?
Yes, you can also deliver your speech, and later on you can
Okay, sir.
have a questioning, answering, and discussion.
Okay, sir.
Uh, Present simple singular number. Guys, you are watching here. Poonam is watching, Juhi ji is watching, Manya ji is watching, Sonika is here. This is my senior student. You can say, you can see. You can say and you can see that they are always ready. They do not need to prepare, they do not need pre-information and all. So I would like to invite Krishna to deliver his speech of present simple singular number. Put your hands together for him.
Hello. Good evening to everyone. This is Krishna before you, and as per sir's instruction, I am delivering my. I don't know which number speech is this, but okay. So I'm telling the daily routine of my father. My father wakes up near about 4:30, and he. Sorry, can I deliver after 2 minutes? I have to take water actually. Meanwhile, you guys discuss something. I'm just coming.